Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I installed my True and Pure Textures Layla curl clip-ins. Guys, look at how it looks like this is my hair, like growing out of my scalp. Some of it is, but most of it is True and Pure Textures Layla curly hair clip-ins. And I am living for these results. Guys, what? This is insane. This for a little background. I have 3C curly hair. It is low density, medium porosity. So in the summertime, I leave my house and my hair is like nicely defined, curly, looks so good. And then I come back, especially if the day is humid and my hair is flat, hardly any definition, and just annoying. Probably in a bun, really. I'm so happy that I found True and Pure Textures because it is now possible for me to leave my house looking one way and come back looking the same way, because the definition is there, the length is there, the volume is there. It is giving. Girls, this hair is giving minimum effort, maximum results. Trust me, this is everything. I just finished blow drying my hair on low speed, medium heat, and it is about 90% dry. I just want to make sure that it wasn't 100% dry so that the clip-ins could dry the rest of the way with it, because my clip-ins are also 90% dry. So let me just show you how similar my hair texture is to the clip-ins. What I'm gonna do is start with the bottommost section and making it super small just so that a piece of hair can fit on it. We're gonna do a lot of layering so the back section can be as small as humanly possible. So let's get started. So I'm gonna use this one and I'm going to just clip it at the bottom like this. Make sure the clip is open. And then push down on my hair and just clip in, just like that. So I'm gonna continue just like that and just adding bit by bit. as small a section as possible because I do want to make sure that I can fit in as much hair into my head as possible without making it look too bulky. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue that and going to keep recording while I am putting them in, just so you can see the process and how full it gets. This is the final look. And guys, I love how it looks, how it feels like my hair. This is insane. I will never have to choose definition over volume again. I'm gonna be linking the hair down in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page, and also make sure you check out their pages. They constantly have sales. Their customer service is so good, so on point. Their delivery is super fast. I just feel like they are the top of the top. Like, True and Pure Textures is the best curly hair I have experienced so far. Like, this looks like my hair. Like, this looks like my hair. Like, it's insane. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.